Hello and welcome back to another Dish of Carrie's Gardening channel. So today is November the 5th, 2024, and this was one of the dahlias that I started from seed, and the video I did when I started my dahlias from seed. And one of the questions that I do get asked is, do dahlias bloom the first year? And yes, I showed that in my videos. And the second question that I get asked is, do they actually produce the tubers? So we're going to take this one here and we're going to dump it out here. I can get it out here. See, the roots came the whole way out the bottom. Okay, you're kind of stuck in there. Get out. There we go. That's one way to get it out. Dump it out. Okay. And we're just going to break the soil apart here. And we are looking. There we go. There's part of one of the tubers there. Go. Oh yeah, this has some nice ones in it here. Trying to get as much soil off of here as I can. See here. Oh, look at these. This is nice. Come back here. Now, I do not wash my dahlia tubers off. I just store them how they come out. And I prefer to take them out when it's dry. These are really nice. I'm just getting some of the excess dirt off of here. And this was growing just this year. This is a really nice root system on this for the tubers. I went the whole way to the bottom of that container. Look at that thing. Wow. That's really nice. Go. And if you're asking why I don't wash the tubers off for my dahlias, is because I don't want them to rot. That's another reason why I like to take these out when they're dry. Helps prevent them from rotting, even though I do let them lay out some and dry. That is a really nice root system on this one here. So this is the one that was growing in the containers. And these were the ones that I dug out of the ground. If you want to see a video on that, I do have that on my channel when I dug these out of the ground and how I dug them out of the ground. So for this one here, I'm going to get my pruners here. And I'm just going to cut this stem here. Now, wait a minute here, my pruner's locked. Okay. There we go. So this is going to get stored in either a cardboard box or a paper bag. You can choose to store them in some potting mix. I'm not a big fan of storing them in plastic bags like I've seen them sold in the stores. I find that that can lead to rot and all kinds of other issues. So I pick either a box or a paper bag. And I am going to be checking on these to make sure that, you know, nothing's going wrong with them. They're not rotting, they're not trying to shrivel up. And you can store these in a cool, dark location. You want to make sure that rodents can't get to them. So I'm going to be putting ours in the basement. You can also choose to put them in like some kind of a like root cellar or something like that. So very, very impressed. These here are actually the exact same varieties here, and these were growing in the ground. This one here is growing in the container. Yeah, I'm really super impressed with this one here. I'm curious what the other containers look like, but I am going to have to wrap this up for today and get these put away. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button as I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!